This signal-based depot just outside Saigon operates under the guidance of the Army's MAC-V advisory program. Here, such items as radio teletypes, photo equipment, switchboards, field phones, transmitters, and generators are rebuilt for further use by armed forces on duty in Vietnam. They are stacked according to type as they await repair. U.S. Advisor Sergeant Alphonsa Hildreth examines a broken piece of equipment. Each unit is completely disassembled and cleaned. The actual salvage operation then begins with an adjustment of the mechanical controls. Wherever needed, new parts are installed. These are electrically aligned to their proper settings. Then the all-important bench testing is conducted. In another area, the cases are sanded down to bare metal. They are then repainted and dried, and the case and the unit itself are reassembled. Finally, the completed sets are tallied to await quality control, calibration, and distance tests. At the 70th Medical Base Depot, Saigon, American Army Advisor Chief Warrant Officer Francis A. Boisvert discusses the replacement of a piece of equipment with a Vietnamese medical repairman. Since the equipment is American-made and the instructions are printed in English, our advisors find that demonstration is the key to success here. Staff Sergeant Lawrence T. Giraud looks in to see how the work is going. The Vietnamese language has few words for modern technology. Because of this, frequent explanation on the part of our advisors is required. The repaired medical and dental equipment is then crated and stored in warehouses for shipment from the depot to points throughout Vietnam. Elsewhere on the base, the advisory program continues at this, the only pharmaceutical center in Vietnam. These glass ampules are being filled with quinine formiate. Flames heat the tips, and the ampules are sealed. Last year, nearly 1.5 million ampules of drugs were manufactured and distributed from here. Afterwards, they are labeled and inspected. Then individually packed for shipment. This chalk-like substance will soon reappear in the more familiar shape of a pill. Pills to fit every need are turned out at the rate of 800,000 a month. Solutions and ointments are mixed in vats, such as these. Major John Huncharek, senior advisor, goes over the production figures with his Vietnamese counterpart. Phan Rang, Vietnam, 10 October. Lieutenant General Nguyen Phan Thiệu, Chief of State, Vietnam, arrives for the presentation of gifts to American and Korean forces in the Phan Rang area. A motorcade past a joint American and Korean honor guard takes the general and his party to the Air Force Base, where he meets Brigadier General Willard Pearson, Commanding General, 1st Brigade, 101st Airborne Division, and his staff. General Phan Thiệu delivers a short speech of appreciation from the leaders and the people of Vietnam to the American and Korean forces. And then presents gifts to each of the officers in attendance. The presentation is followed by refreshments and a brief period of socializing. The amenities at an end, General Phan and his staff depart for Saigon.